Ginya kuria gicua-ini ni ati Mutongoria wa bururi ni Dr William Ruto ni atongoretie mihang'o ya uheani wa uraia kuri Ruriri Rwa Pemba, akiuga ati riu ni marikoragwo makihota kwamukira mautungata ma thirikari ta akenya aria angi. Oho niaheanite maratathi ma wigwatiri wa migunda mwena uyu nimo title deeds, undu uria ni imwe cia ciiraniro ciake hindi ya kambiini kuri Ruriri Rwa Pemba. Oho niaugite ati mari ta thirikari ni meharirie kuigithia tabarira cia uthii wa nambere itemini ria gukorwo magikoria matura ma mwena uyu.
Wapemba hoye! The National Assembly considered public petition number 41 in 2020, dated the 19th November 2020, regarding the recognition of Pemba people of Kenya as citizens of the Republic of Kenya. Whereas the petition posits that the Pemba community are part of the 16th Swahili dialects of the traditional Swahili of Kenya, whereas the Pemba community settled within the 10-mile coastal strip, which was later incorporated into the Protectorate of Kenya and later into the territory of the Republic of Kenya, whereas the failure to recognize the Pemba community as citizens of Kenya continues to cause disenfranchisement and exclusion of the community from national development. The Pemba people from the coastal of Kenya be recognized as an ethnic group in Kenya and be issued with the relevant identification documents in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya. Leo mimi nafurahi kufika Kilifi, na kuanzia leo sasa watakuwa raia wa taifa letu la Kenya. Tumekuja katika kongamano hili tukubaliane sote, na mbele yenu nimetia sahihi mkataba ambao utawafanya muwe raia wa taifa letu la Kenya. Nasema pongezi.
Kilifi County.
Ripoti iyo kuma mwena wa gicua-ini.